The Tudor Watch Company has a rich history dating back to 1926, when it was founded by Hans Wilsdorf, the founder of Rolex. Known for their high-quality timepieces, Tudor watches have become a symbol of elegance and style. In 2023, Tudor will be releasing their latest collection, the new Tudor Watches 2023. This new line is expected to be a major hit among watch enthusiasts and fashion lovers alike, as it combines classic design elements with modern features and technology. Tudor is set to release a range of watches that will surely captivate the hearts of watch enthusiasts around the world. From sporty diving watches to elegant dress watches, Tudor's new releases boast impressive features and designs that showcase the brand's commitment to quality and craftsmanship. Tudor's remarkable collection of watches has positioned the brand as one of the most desirable luxury watch brands in the market. Whether you have an affinity for exquisite timepieces or are in search for your next watch, we invite you to join us as we explore Tudor's latest releases and unravel what sets this brand apart from the rest. Welcome to another episode of The Steady Taker. Do you have a soft spot for watches? Subscribe now to The Steady Taker and click the notification bell to keep posted on all the latest news on different luxury watch brands and its industry. We create content on trivias, intricacies, history and anything under the weather about luxury watch brands and their models. For today's episode, we'll walk you through the unique features and specifications of the new Tudor Watches 2023 and delve into what makes them such a must-have for watch collectors and fashion enthusiasts. First is the 2023 edition of the Black Bay Red Bezel. Tudor, a prominent luxury watch brand, has introduced a revised version of its highly acclaimed Black Bay Red Bezel. This updated model retains its signature 41mm diameter and striking red bezel, while incorporating subtle changes that enhance the watch's overall design. One of the most notable changes is the removal of the date display, which is replaced with a crown similar to the Black Bay Pro and an updated bezel edge, lending more robustness to the watch. Moreover, Tudor has added a T-fit rapid adjustment clasp, allowing the wearer to adjust the strap's length without the need for additional tools. The watch comes with 3 strap options, a rubber strap and a 5-link or 3-link stainless steel strap, which Tudor has dubbed the Jubilee strap, showcasing a nod to the company's heritage. The watch is META certified, attesting to its accuracy and reliability and indicating the brand's commitment to producing high-precision timepieces. Tudor has also modified the watch's handset with a minute hand tapered towards the middle, resulting in a subtle yet visually pleasing effect. These changes, combined with its classic and timeless appeal, make the Black Bay Red Bezel a highly desirable and collectible watch. The latest iteration of the Black Bay Red Bezel is priced at £3,460, a few £100 more than the previous model, but the changes and enhancements more than justify the price increase. Tudor's commitment to innovation and excellence is evident in the subtle design modifications and META certification. The Black Bay Red Bezel is a prime example of Tudor's ability to craft luxurious, functional and enduring timepieces, making it an exceptional investment for any watch enthusiast. Tudor's latest release of the Black Bay Red Bezel is certainly a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence and innovation. The subtle changes to the watch's design and the META certification demonstrate that Tudor is not content to rest on its laurels and is always striving to improve its products. The Black Bay Red Bezel is a perfect example of Tudor's dedication to crafting exceptional luxury watches that are both timeless and functional. Next 2023 release of Tudor that is sure to bring chills to watch enthusiasts is the Black Bay 54. The Tudor Black Bay 54 is a noteworthy addition to the Black Bay line, as it takes inspiration from the brand's first dive watch, the reference 7922. The watch embodies the purest modern expression of Tudor's inaugural dive watch, which was released in 1954. The 37mm case of the Black Bay 54 maintains the classic proportions of its predecessor, while boasting the technical prowess of Tudor's manufacture caliber MT5400 and a 200 meters depth rating. The Tudor Black Bay 54 is not only a visually striking timepiece, but also a technically advanced one. Its manufacture caliber MT5400 movement is certified by the Swiss Federal Institute of Metrology (METAS), which is the same certification used by Omega in their timepiece movements. This certification ensures that the watch meets high standards of accuracy, magnetic resistance, and durability. In addition, the watch's 200 meters depth rating is a testament to its capabilities as a dive watch. It's equipped with a screw-down crown and case back, providing added protection against water intrusion. The watch's rubber strap or riveted bracelet options allow for comfortable wear during extended periods of time, making it a reliable companion for any underwater adventure. This watch is a fitting tribute to the iconic dive watch of the previous year, incorporating modern design elements and technical advancements. The black and gold dial, silver bezel markings, and chunkier teeth on the bezel are reminiscent of the original, while the Pro-style crown gives it a contemporary and sophisticated look. The watch is available with a rubber strap or a riveted bracelet, making it suitable for any occasion. At a starting price of £3,030, this timepiece represents Tudor's commitment to honouring its rich heritage and creating watches that are both functional and stylish. The Tudor Black Bay 54 is a perfect example of the brand's ability to create modern interpretations of classic designs while maintaining its reputation for quality and innovation. Overall, the Tudor Black Bay collection continues to evolve and impress with its attention to detail and commitment to quality. The new Black Bay 54 pays tribute to the past while incorporating modern design elements, creating a timeless timepiece that is sure to become a favorite for years to come. Another exciting release from Tudor this year is the 2023 Black Bay GMT. The Black Bay GMT has been a popular model among watch enthusiasts since its introduction in 2018. While the watch retains the classic crown and the date display, the new silvery opaline dial adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to the design. The color scheme of the dial, combined with a burgundy and blue bezel, pays homage to the GMT Masters made for Pan Am executives, which were said to have white dials. This color scheme has become iconic for Rolex, and Tudor's inclusion of it in the Black Bay GMT design adds to the watch's appeal. The black and red fabric strap is also a unique touch, giving the watch a sporty yet refined look. In addition to the updated dial, the Black Bay GMT now comes equipped with a manufacture caliber, providing the watch with improved accuracy and reliability. The watch is also available in a steel and gold version, which adds a touch of luxury and nostalgia to the classic design. The 24-hour graduated rotating bezel with two colors represents day and night, which is a practical and functional feature that's become synonymous with the GMT watchmaking function. While the updates to the Black Bay GMT may not be as significant as those made to the other watches, they give the watch a modern twist on a classic design. The price point for the Black Bay GMT starts at £3,330, making it a more accessible option for those looking for a high-quality watch with a unique and stylish design. Lastly, watch enthusiasts and collectors should also watch out for this year's Tudor Royal. Tudor's updated Tudor Royal watch range has undergone a significant transformation with the addition of two new dial colors, brown and salmon, across 4 different sizes, resulting in a total of 70 variations to choose from. The applied Roman numeral hour markers add a touch of elegance to the watches, which are available with an integrated metal bracelet, notched or diamond set bezel, and automatic movement. During the watch showcase, Tudor showcased its brand new, highly automated manufacture, emphasizing the facility's automation and efficiency, but some criticized the narration for sounding amateurish. Despite this, the new Tudor Royal watches, with their updated dial colors, are sure to capture the attention of watch enthusiasts. The salmon dial variant is priced between £1,930 to £2,060 in steel, while the chocolate brown dial variant is available in steel and gold, priced from £2,890 to £3,070. The range pays tribute to the heritage of the royal name, first used by Tudor in the 1950s, offering self-winding sport chic watches with integrated bracelets that are both affordable and uncompromising. Ultimately, Tudor's updates to the Tudor Royal watch range provide a diverse range of options for customers seeking an elegant, versatile timepiece. The new Tudor Watches 2023 are a testament to the company's commitment to producing high-quality timepieces that are both stylish and functional. With their classic design elements and modern features, these watches are sure to appeal to a wide range of consumers, from watch enthusiasts to fashion lovers. Whether you're looking for a watch to wear on a daily basis or a special occasion, the new Tudor Watches 2023 are definitely worth considering. With their precision engineering, exceptional craftsmanship and elegant aesthetics, they represent the very best of what the Tudor Watch Company has to offer. So if you're in the market for a new watch, be sure to check out the new Tudor Watches 2023 and experience the beauty and functionality that they have to offer. Want to hear more about watches? Hit the subscribe button below to support the Steady Taker channel and click the notification bell to instantly know about our new videos on luxury watches. See you in the next one.